Alright guys, so Chanté isn't feeling very well today, so I'm just gonna give her her tea. And yeah, here she is. Chanté, brought you some tea.
Is it warm or cold?
It's your tea, you asked for tea.
It's cold, then you asked for my oma tea.
I'm sorry. Just drink your tea, feel better.
It's quite nice because I'm sweating and like.
Yo, I see.
So it's nice and refreshing.
See. I'm sorry.
And the dogs just keep coming here. And like I just want some alone time.
Okay, just rest. Do
You know,
Papa.
I'm so tired. And what time is my doctor's appointment?
I think it's at 12.
At 12? That's still 2 hours and I can't go out in public looking like this.
We'll put some makeup on it, okay? Okay. Like a doo-doos.
Okay, boy.
Boy.
I first need to go through my Facebook.
No, sick people don't have Facebook.
I have Facebook.
Hello and welcome to this week's special effects makeup tutorial. We're going to do a sick look on Chanté for those days you don't want to go into work. Yeah, this is what you need to do. Okay. So
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. It's unethical.
Naughty. Okay, so today we're going to do that. And what was I going to say? Oh, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. Also comment if you like this video, this tutorial. Also comment if you want to see something else. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, let's start. What was that little? Okay, so I'm gonna use Creative Glamour's foundation palette and the color number 1. This is a very pale color. It's way too pale for Chanté, but because you are sick, you want to look pale and dead. I'm kidding, not dead. Just very ill. Ill. Okay, so next I'm going to use a little bit of a darker color because we're going to hollow out the cheeks so it looks like she's malnourished, because when you're sick you don't really want to eat.
How sick am I?
Very sick. So we're just going to hollow out the cheeks a little bit and just a little bit in the neck. Just a little bit, teeny tiny bit. Okay, so now I'm going to just use that same color and just hollow out her eyeballs. Lekker. Okay, look at people so they can see you look sick now. Okay, so then I'm going to move on using the grease paint palette, also from Creative.
I think you need to redo that.
Let's just give it a second. Okay. Sorry about the background noise, guys. I'm just quickly going to use the grease paint palette from Creative Glamour and the red that they have. Hopefully you guys heard that because I'm yelling. Terrible, man.
You're making me ill.
Okay, so we're going to use that same red on her nose, just to make it look like she's been rubbing it, blowing the snot out. Ew, so ill. So I'm also going to put a little bit of red on her cheeks to make it look like she has the fever. So we're just going to splot some of it on there.
Oh, I've got red freckles.
I'm going back in with the brown that I used previously from the foundation palette from Creative Glamour, and we're just going to put this a little bit here under the eye. Then I'm going to use the color Lake in the grease paint palette from Creative Glamour and just put a little bit of it on the top lid and on the bottom lid. Okay, so now I'm going to set this foundation and everything like that on top of it with the Creative Glamour translucent powder. And then after that we're going to place Vaseline on the bony areas, or where you would normally sweat a bit more. So it's going to be the forehead, it's going to be a little on the cheeks, maybe a little on the chin, and then we're going to add baby oil to it. Alright, so that was the special effects look for today. Hopefully she does look cute to you guys. But yeah.
I'm not happy right now.
She's upset because there's baby oil all over her face and Vaseline. Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And yeah, comment whether you like this video or if you want to see something else, if you want to see something more aggressive than this. But yeah, let's get into
The montage.